What's up, vlog? It's like 12 in the morning. Woke up at about 10. Showered, ate some food. Now I'm off to work in a few minutes. Last training shift today. Then it gets real shift tomorrow, so yeah, we'll see how that goes.
What's up, vlog? It's 2 o'clock. I haven't done anything all day. Need to start doing stuff. I'm starting my French stuff right now, so I can get to work and actually do something meaningful today. Hey vlog. I was trying to work on my French. Didn't go to plan really. Instead I drew these dudes and then wrote a little bit more. Besides that, not much. What is good, vlog? Hey, not for you, dog. I am taking my dog on a walk. She's trying to trace cars. I'm just trying to walk the dog. Earlier, I did a little bit of French homework. Started writing my participe passé, little écrit on le chocolat, a short film. So yeah, that's what I've done so far. Ooh. It's sunny now. Maybe momentarily. The clouds. The clouds are coming.
Work is over. I actually felt really good about my shift. Didn't really make any mistakes, only had to ask a couple questions. Really got the hang of everything. So good for my last training shift. And tomorrow, 8-hour shift, first real shift. Let's go.
Fish Creek Park, walking the dog. You know what's happening. Fish Creek River going off.